Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Precious and we're back again with another awesome video. Oh yeah, if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to thumb this video up, subscribe to my channel. Yeah, hit that red thingy, that red little box down there, okay? Oh yeah, Nasham, do not forget to share with your friends, share with your family, share with your friend enemies, share with your boyfriends, share with literally everybody, okay? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much, my heart, for coming back and bringing another awesome video. Shem, thank you, ne? Your support is legit appreciated. I forgot the word appreciated for some reason, but you are so appreciated, and this girl here loves you. Okay, do not forget to hit the bell button after subscribing, you guys, so that every time this beautiful melanin queen rocks up on your screen, you'll be notified every single time. I don't even have a watch, but every single time you will be notified. Disclaimer again, this girl is fat, okay? Your favorite chick, it's a fat hippo. Yeah. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into today's video. Today we are doing a DIY what do you call, I can't say Mali, I would say kinky ponytail. Yeah, so we're gonna do a DIY kinky ponytail. Yeah, and so without wasting any time, let me just show you what we're gonna need, and then we just get straight into the video. I do not want to waste your time. I mean, yeah, you got other things to do, darling. Anywho, this is what I'm gonna use today. Is the Yaki braid number 2. Guys, I like using number 2 because my hair is not black, ne? My hair is dark brown. Yeah, my hair is brown, so that is why I like using number 2, because I feel it suits my hair perfectly. So we're only gonna use 1 pack of this, and then I'm gonna cut it in half, and then from there we're gonna use a thread or a wool, which I'm also gonna cut it and just show you the length. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut it here. I don't know where I've put the pair of scissors, but I'll go and look for the scissors so that I can, yeah. So this is how long the string it's like almost a meter long. Yeah, I would say a meter long, folded, right? Folded. So this is what I'm going to use to tie the ponytail on my hair when we're done with it. Yeah? So the simple procedure here is more or less the same as what I did in my previous Goddess Fox Locks video, where I would braid this on this. So let me just show you how I do that and not waste more of your time, okay? So 2 parts like so. Okay guys, from here I'm gonna take out like this size of hair, this size of hair, and then I'm gonna braid it like I did with the previous video. So what I'm gonna do now is take this single wool strand and then put it on Fajo's wardrobe, because we know Miguel is filming in somebody's room. I'm in my sister's room, so let me do that quickly. Okay guys, so now here I'm done parting the hair into those strands or pieces. Then from here I'm just gonna braid the hair and then leave it out here for an hour or two, then come in and braid it. So in between those hours I'm just going to bath, and then I'll come back and then we'll finish up the rest of the looks. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna be waiting for this to set, like give it nice, give it snatched with my small head, and then in the meantime I'm gonna take out the hair that I braided, and then I'm gonna unravel it, and then from there we gonna do our ponytail, our kinky ponytail. Hey, but it's gonna be our kinky ponytail. No. You see how she's too much. But I like her. Did I call her? I didn't. I love her. Like is an understatement. She annoys me, she irritates me, she's all that kind of shit. But she's the best. You know. I can never trade her for anything. Like today we just read, guys. Like Mara, can you see what we just read today? Don't be red today. I'm red. Hey. So I'm just gonna put on my lashes and be snatched. Hi guys, so we're back again. So this is the hair after I've unraveled it. I know it doesn't look as kinky as it should be, but I've tried. Reason being is because the hair is not a hot water boil. So I will just continue and do the ponytail or the bun on my head, and then we will see the results. the results. Oh my gosh, you guys, I don't know if you can see, but I feel this turned out great. Hey you guys, I am back. I just went and finished my eye look, applied some lashes and did my face and stuff. Anywho, this is the finished hair. It might not be as kinky as I thought it would come out, but this, trust me, is the cheapest way to do your kinky ponytail look. I mean, the hair, remember I used one braid, and one braid is 10 rand or 12 rand at the shops, which is a Yaki braid, so you probably find it like it retails for 12 rand. So it's not time consuming either. Waiting an hour for the curls to come out, it's not as bad, guys. So this is how your baby looks. What did I say? Your favorite melanin cream. It's looking glam. Very nice, guys. Like very nice, relevant. Like we just ready. Guys, it's hot. Lol. We're just ready to take on the world. Though we're not gonna take on the world, we're just gonna go outside and take pictures. Yeah, we're just gonna do that. Baby sis is busy doing her makeup for no reason at all, because that's just what we do in this house, you know. Yeah. So guys, yeah, I'm going crazy. She's dying. I'm going crazy, and she's about to kill me. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy, you guys. You know what to do. Please do not forget to thumb this video up. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Can we improve? Did we do it? Yeah, did it, you guys? Yeah, and then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. For my viewers, my subscribers, thank you so much, family. Thank you so much, my honeys, for coming back and viewing another video until this far, guys. Until this far, Nina, Hashem Nyabonga, guys. Bye.